Hello everyone, this is Little Crab and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making these beautiful flower coasters. This is a really easy pattern, I would say, even for absolute beginners. Now let's look at what we need. For this project, I use a 4mm crochet hook and I also use medium worsted yarn in two colors, yellow and white, but you can use whatever color you like. We will start with the center using yellow yarn. So first of all, for every project, you have to create a magic ring. To create a magic ring, form an X around your index finger and middle finger. Then insert the hook into like this, yarn over and drop a loop. Then hold the ring. And now you can start working into the ring. And now we start with our round 1. First we chain 3 and this counts as our first double crochet. Then after that, we have to work 15 more double crochets into the ring. And if you don't know how to make a double crochet, look at the box on the top right of the screen where I post the steps. After finish making 15 double crochet and together with the first chain 3, now you should have 16 stitches in total. Then close the ring. And you will have to make a slip stitch to the top of your 3 chain to join the round. Next, for round 2, first chain 1, and then we're gonna work a pattern of 1 single crochet and then 1 single crochet increase. A single crochet increase is the one that we work 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. One single crochet and then 1 single increase to the next stitch. And we're gonna repeat this 8 times for a total of 24 single crochets. And to finish a round, don't forget to make a slip stitch to the first chain that you make. Now we move to round 3. Chain 1 as usual, then repeat the pattern, 1 single crochet, and 1 single increase crochet, and 1 single crochet, we will have to repeat the pattern 8 times in total. One single crochet, 1 single increase crochet, and 1 single crochet. Before you finish this round, bring in your white yarn and make a slip stitch to join, because we will have to use the white yarn for the inner petals. And now round 4 will be made with white yarn. Chain 3, and this counts as a double crochet. And then we're gonna work a 2 double crochet cluster in that same space. Chain 3 counts as a double crochet, and together with a 2 double crochet cluster, they form a 3 double crochet cluster. And then chain 2, after that we're gonna skip 1 stitch, and then in the next stitch we're gonna work a 3 double crochet cluster, and then chain 3, to do a 3 double crochet cluster. You'll partially finish 3 double crochets in the same stitch until you have 4 loops on your hook, then draw through all of them. Then we have a 3 double crochet cluster. Now chain 2, and we're going to repeat this all the way around. Skip 1 stitch, make a 3 double crochet cluster, and then chain 2, don't forget to count the petals. So we're gonna have a total of 16 inner petals in white yarn. After finishing round 4, we're gonna switch back to yellow yarn. Bring in the yellow yarn. Make a slip stitch. And then we can work our round 5, chain 1, and then in the first chain 2 space, this one, we're gonna work 6 double crochets into that space, 6 double crochet into the chain 2 space that we made in the previous round. I'm gonna cut the white yarn. Then in the next space, which is the 3 double cluster space, we're gonna make a half double crochet into it. Then make a slip stitch into the next chain 2 space. Then a half double crochet into the following cluster space. We're gonna repeat that pattern 8 times in total to create a beautiful scalloped edge. we're almost done here. To finish, make a slip stitch to our very first double crochet. The last step after fastening off and cut the yarn, we're gonna use our tapestry needle to weave in the ends so that they are invisible. And our flower coaster is complete. If you enjoy this video, check out a little crab on Etsy for more patterns. And happy crocheting!